How many did you catch, Emma? Do you remember how many?
50.
Look at them fly away.
There's a buggy. What is it?
Is it a lightning bug? It is. See, they're all flying away. Are you blowing at them?
I'm just letting them have fly. I'm helping them fly.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
They're almost done. Only a few more left, huh?
I made it fall. What is that?
Where? On his leg?
No, my...
You had one in your hair.
Yeah.
Is that what you were talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, he fell back down to the bottom and he just lay down. Will he be able to get back over? There he goes. Emma, I think we caught 50 and none of them died. That's a pretty awesome deal, huh?
What time? Oh, slide away.
Alright, I think they all flew away.
No, there's 2 more left.
Well, they're not flashing.